Hey guys, what's up? This is Walid, the creator of eBextractor. So currently, the tool is operational in this following eBay website: ebay.com, ebay.co.uk, ebay.com.au, which is Australia, ebay.de Germany, ebay.fr France, ebay.italy, ebay.it Italy, ebay.ca Canada. So it's very simple to use. You just go to that specific site. For example, this one I'm going to use the ebay.com. I'm going to search shoes and wait. So currently the tool is in version 2.0.8, and then the new version, which is 2.0.8, has the new feature where you can view the sold over history page on the specific search. You just have to click it and it will go to that specific item, sold history and offer history. Now you won't be able to go here if you are not logged in into your eBay site. So you need to have an account in each site. You won't be able to use ebay.com and access sold history of that item if it is in Germany or Italy or France or etc. Then on the right side, you can see this is the analytics, keyword used for search, which is shoes, and the price analytics, highest price, average price, and middle price. Now in version 2.0.8, you can now click the highest price, middle price, and lowest price, and it will go to that specific listing. And see, if you click the highest price, it will go to that. If you click the middle price, it will go to that. And it is the same as in the lowest price. And also, in the price counter, if you click each prices, it will go to that specific item too. See? Then here, listings, you can see all the listings. Then you can download the listings. In this format is in CSV. And another thing is if you click the items, each listings, and you will wait. You, as you can see on the right hand side, you will be able to see the sold history and over history of that specific product. The the maximum period is 90 days. That's the maximum period eBay shows. So you can filter it by days, today, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and up to 90 days. You can also resize it if you want. Then another thing is you can search it on Amazon. You can see this specific item will be searched on Amazon. Converse All Star Black Sneakers Center. The same in Walmart and Google Shopping. That's it, guys. So if you want to support me uh, making this tool better, you can donate, buy me coffee, or you can like the page for the support. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. If you have any questions and suggestions and feedbacks, you can email me at edextractor@gmail.com or at or at this email. That's it, guys. Thank you so much.